six-man match we have for you next. Keep it locked here. We have the New Day versus the nWo.
Indeed, the New Day facing the nWo in a 3-on-3 tornado tag match. Hollywood Hulk Hogan, who is Mr. Money in the Bank, and he is bringing out the big guns today, Kevin Nash and the mighty Colossus. Scott Hall not involved today, and there have been some question marks about Colossus towing the line here. He hasn't really gotten behind Hollywood Hulk Hogan as the new leader of the nWo. We do know just prior to Money in the Bank, he made a very strong play for becoming the new leader himself, and has begrudgingly accepted Hollywood Hulk Hogan as the new leader. And tonight, as a show of allegiance, will partner with the Hulkster and Big Sexy as they attempt to face perhaps one of the most successful tag teams of all time, and certainly on SmackDown in the modern day, the New Day, Xavier Woods, Kofi Kingston, and the returning powerhouse Big E, Captain Booty-O's himself. It's the New Day versus the nWo.
Don't you dare be sour! Clap for your longest reigning tag champs and feel the power! It's a new day, yes it is.
And you can hear the crowd go crazy here. Much loved. The fun-loving trio of the New Day. Big E back to his spiritual home, you would say. This is where he really thrives. Being himself, fun-loving, cuddly, laugh a minute, Big E,
702 pounds,
for
Kofi
a while.
Kingston, Big E, and Xavier Woods, the New Day.
He tried the ways of the new Nation of Domination and was the chief enforcer for a while, but found that life was not meant for him. Perhaps the loss to Psychosis at Money in the Bank for the United States title made him realize that he was at his best when he was with his mates Kofi Kingston and Xavier Woods, and the ever popular New Day reunited, and it feels so good. But they are going to have their hands full here tonight. Mr. Money in the Bank, Hollywood Hulk Hogan, comes down to the ring surrounded by Kevin Nash, flanked I should say by Kevin Nash and Colossus. My word, that Colossus makes Kevin Nash look small.
41 pounds, Hollywood Hulk Hogan, Kevin Nash, and Colossus, the nWo.
Tells you something about the sheer size of this trio when Hulk Hogan is the smallest of the three coming down to the ring. Ever so confident here. I mean, when you're backed by those two guys behind you, you have every reason to be confident, don't you? But the Hulkster is as accomplished as anybody in that ring. One of the greatest, if not the greatest, and that will be a forever argument between the likes of Hollywood Hulk Hogan, Ric Flair, Stone Cold Steve Austin. Who was the most popular ever? Hollywood Hulk Hogan. In fact, classic Hulk Hogan as well would probably make a pretty strong claim. His overall career has seen him at the pinnacle of wrestling for most of it. Brought wrestling into the mainstream. Who will forget his Big E takes it to Hulk Hogan there. Colossus going after Kofi Kingston, and Kevin Nash going after Xavier Woods, and Hogan there beaten to the punch by Big E, and Hogan sends Big E to the ride. I suppose it makes sense there. Big E, the powerhouse of the New Day, being targeted here. Sidewalk slam. And Xavier Woods now gets caught in the radar of Hollywood Hulk Hogan. But Colossus takes care of Kofi Kingston on the outside. And again, Big E beats Hollywood Hulk Hogan to the punch. Not the second time. And Big E holding his own here against the Hollywood Hulkster. And slams him down. My word. And the New Day just for the minute in the ascendancy here against the nWo. And Hogan fighting back now against Big E, raking his face against the top rope, or choking him over the top rope there. And Kevin Nash savage clothesline there by Hollywood Hulk Hogan, and he is laying out the New Day. Xavier Woods now. It's 3 members of the nWo against Xavier Woods. Laying into him here. Xavier Woods now. And Hogan takes Big E out again. Oh, and Hogan didn't see Big E like a freight train there, heading towards him across the ring. Oh, nails the Hulkster down. Big E didn't see him coming. My word. And Hogan sends Big E to the outside. Hogan's got Big E there. Oh, sends him through the barrier there. And Hollywood Hulk Hogan now got Kofi Kingston here in the full Nelson slam. And taking it to Xavier Woods now. And in comes Colossus. Big E making his way back into the ring. Hogan sees him, as does Kevin Nash. And Hogan now takes Big E out with some big elbows. Kevin Nash. Hogan grabs Xavier Woods again every chance he gets. Kevin Nash and Hogan now laying into Xavier Woods. Breaks the hold. And Xavier Woods again taking some punishment from the Hulkster. And Kofi Kingston gets a backbreaker. And Big E and Hogan there reverses that. The referee hasn't seen it. And Big E reverses that one. And thank goodness for that. Xavier Woods, he's got Hogan now. And nails him with the slight DDT. And the New Day now in the ascendancy. Hogan's on the outside. Kevin Nash fighting gamely on against Big E. Colossus is on the outside as well, and down goes Kevin Nash. He took a huge hit there.
This is Kofi Kingston's match now.
And Hogan now. Kevin Nash is down. Hogan makes the save, my word. And look at Colossus there. Oh, Hogan couldn't stop Kofi Kingston, and look at the strength of Hulk Hogan. All 3 members. Oh, and Colossus takes the Hulkster out with a big boot. Kofi Kingston tries to drop the Hulkster with a standing drop kick, and again. And Kingston taking it to Hulk Hogan here, and all 3 members of the nWo are down. Big E nails. And Hogan breaks up the big ending there. Kevin Nash looked like, for all intents and purposes, he was done for. And Big E Hogan gets out of dodge. Big E has recovered somewhat from going through. Xavier Woods now. Xavier Woods. Oh, takes out Hulkster there and Kevin Nash. There's all three members in there with Kofi Kingston now. And Hogan taking some punishment there. The New Day certainly holding their own. And Colossus taken out with a huge throw there. Kevin Nash now. Kingston breaks up the count there. Kevin Nash had it, and Kingston there with the Shining Wizard. And Kingston Xavier Woods taken out by the Hulkster. Big E. Hogan now going for the big leg drop here. He's nailed it. Can he put Big E away? And that's it! The nWo walkout winners here. Hollywood Hulk Hogan once again picking up the win for the team. The big leg drop making all the difference. Look at that. Big E took a lot of punishment here. They targeted him knowing he was the danger man. But it isn't to say nWo had it all their own way. Big E nailing the big ending on Kevin Nash. Colossus fighting gamely on against the powerhouse, but Hollywood Hulk Hogan drops the big leg on Big E.
Hulk Hogan, Kevin Nash, and Colossus, the nWo.
And the nWo walk out as winners here.
I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.
Thanks for watching, guys. Monday Night Raw continues with the greatest hits. On to the next one. Cheers.